Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to cancel streak, so your search ends here. After watching this video, you can easily cancel your streak subscription only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. Click the streak icon in Gmail's top bar. Select the Manage Billing and Teams option at the bottom of the sidebar. Under Plan, click the Cancel Paid Plan link. You'll be asked two questions about why you're cancelling. We read all of the responses here and appreciate reading anything you'd like to share about your experience. After confirming cancellation, your account will be immediately downgraded to our free plan. And you are done. Please note, cancelling your subscription does not delete any data from your streak account. You can still have access to your pipelines and boxes. Only by using this method you can cancel your streak subscription plan. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.